Hey guys, sharing with you all a video of my new pets, hamsters, I've bought recently for the kids. Especially for working parents, it's quite easy to maintain them. And I've bought this cute cage for around, you get it for around 2.5k. I've tried to take a double storied cage for them so that they can get a lot of play area. They have these tunnels and small box for food, etc., for them to kind of play around with. Other basic things you need to keep in mind is you need to buy them bedding and nesting material, a wheel to play around with, maybe some toys, of course a small area or a house to hide, which you can see right now, water bottle for them to drink water. Now coming to what do they eat, as you can see here, I'm giving them small pieces of potato. I give them, you can give them any nuts or seeds. I give them peanuts quite often. I give them small pieces of carrot, cabbage. These are the things they like. I've even tried giving them roti and they kind of liked it. So what they do is they stuff everything in their mouth and then they go to the hidden area, put out everything and kind of store it. This is how they stuff it. See, there's not eating. They have put it in their mouth, which is a storage space for them, and then they go up to the hidden area and then pull out everything and then eat later. My hamsters' sleeping patterns are weird, and I think it's quite common among other hamsters as well. They sleep during the day and they don't need too much of a cold area. They prefer to kind of hide in some closed area and then sleep. And they are super active post 6:30, basically in the evening till night. They love playing in the wheel, and they love biting onto the grills, etc., as fun activity. Ideal thing is to give them a bigger spaced cage, but since I've bought a smaller one, not a smaller but a medium size, which is a 2-storied, what I do is on weekends I shift them to these carton boxes. These are big carton box which I had with me and got it as a courier for some product, and I have used them to keep them inside and give them that play time for some time. This happens once in a week. You can actually do it every day. You can give them food, leave them in this particular play area for an hour or two, and then shift them back to the cage. As you can see, I have used these small props as tunnels for them. You can even cut a bottle both the sides and make a tunnel for them, and they kind of love exploring such options. And here they are. They're playing with us now. They try to come out. They don't bite you, of course, but they are quite gentle. They move around. You can play with them on weekends. You can get used to them, and they have to get used to you first. So frequently playing with them would help you and your kids to bond better.